Hello guys, I hope you are good. So welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So today I'm going to show you in this JavaScript tutorials like equality operators in this session. Okay, so what is this equality operator and how to use in our JavaScript? Okay, and it's a very most important things you have to know about this. Okay, so let me explain this. So here you can see like equality operator. So equality operator having two types, like something first is normal comparison. Okay, normal comparison. Okay, and second one is like strict. Okay, so strict comparison. Okay, so we have two types of comparison in JS. So it will be used in LWC loads. Okay, so please be focused on that. So if you are new in this channel, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel like Salesforce, so you will be get more contents like this. So here you can see like normal comparison, and in this normal comparison, okay, so normal comparison is nothing but it's like as a double equal to. Okay, so this operator having some drawbacks and some benefits. So it's always like it is always it is always check the value, not type. Type means data type. Okay, data type, something like that. So suppose that I have created some things like as a if, and this if contain like 2 equal to 2, something like that. And if you want to print here like as a console dot log. Okay, and in this log I want to print some text like as a hello. So if it is equal like 2 equal to 2, so it's already print like as a hello. So here you can see in console. Okay, so in console you can see this hello output because our condition is true. Okay, so that's why it's showing as a hello. Suppose that I want to change this to as a string, and again you can see the same output like as a hello. Okay, because of this equality operator. So here you can see the drawback. This is one value as a string and second value is a integer, we can say number. Okay, so here is the drawback. So how to avoid this? So in ECMAScript like ES6 having some things like as a strict comparison. Here you can see like a strict comparison, and it's always work as a like as a triple equal to, and it's always checking the value and its data type. Okay, so this is the type safe, we can say that. Okay, so suppose that if equal to like if 2 triple equal to like that, and here once you console things this one. So I want to print like as a hello, not hello, just hi, something like that. Okay, so this is value is true, so it will be print this high, otherwise ignore this. So here you can see like as a high in console. Okay, so yeah, so here you can see like high because our condition is meet. Okay, so suppose that uh, for this example I want to create another example with string like Rohit. Okay, equal to Rohit, something like that. Okay, so this is the string example, and I want to print something like as a console, like as a my name is Rohit, something like that. Okay, once you print this, so it's always like as a true value, and here you can see my name Rohit. And suppose that I want to change this R to capital R, and again you want to print this. So here you can see the output and the difference between these things. So here you can see it's not comparison the actual string because it's a small and it's a capital R. Okay, so that's why it's not printing here. Okay, and suppose that in strict comparison, and here you can see like triple equal to, suppose that I want to change this as a string, like as a, here you can just copy this code and paste it here, and I want to change as a string this one, so you cannot see this output like as a 1 2 3, something like this, 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. Okay, so you cannot see this output because of it's a type save and it's a always checking the value and data type. Okay, so here you cannot see the 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. Okay, for example, like another things, null versus, like null versus undefined. Okay, so undefined, suppose that where x, okay, and I want to print these things, so it's always print the undefined value, like that. Here you can see the undefined value in console, you can see like undefined. Okay, suppose that another things, like mm, where y equal to 10, something like that, and I want to assign this as a null, and then I want to print this console.log, and here y. So here you can see the null value I want to print in console. Okay, so here you can see the null value. I want to comparison each and every value like as a x and y. So here you can see like comparison value of null and undefined. So like if x equal to y, okay, so if it is true, so it's showing like as a console dot log, like as a my name, like as a Rohit. Okay, otherwise it's not print like that. So here you can see like my name is Rohit. So once you comparison like null equal to undefined, okay, so it's always written as a true. Okay, and it's not type safe because our motive is to the double equal to, here you can see, but in LWC we will use lots of things like as a triple equal to, because it's a type safe and also value safe, like it's a value and type data type provider. Okay, so now I want to change these things again, like with the triple equal to, so you can see like as a triple equal to, and you cannot see this output as a like as a Kumar, something like that. Okay, because of it's a type set. So always remember, once you working in LWC, so always use this triple equal to, we can say strict comparison, because uh, it doesn't throw any error, and our code should be as a reliability and robustness, like that. Okay, so these all things in this session, like as a null versus undefined, and equality operator, normal comparison, and strict comparison. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you are new in this channel, again please subscribe my YouTube channel, for it's a beneficial for others, because I need more subscriber for this channel, like more contents such like this JavaScript as well LWC in upcoming session. So you can see my playlist as a JavaScript as well LWC in coming days. So I will post it one by one videos in JavaScript playlist, so you can watch my playlist. Okay, so that is things from my side. Thank you, bye bye, take care, see ya.